Hi, I'm Ryan from Attorneys of Idaho. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about punitive damages. In Idaho, there's kind of two different areas where you can be awarded damages. There's area of compensatory damages. That's like lost wages, pain and suffering, medical bills. And then there's a thing called punitive damages. Now, punitive damages are kind of hard to get because generally that's where you're asking the court to punish the other person for their conduct. And that's only really something that you ask for if it's pretty bad conduct. Examples of this would be sexual assault, drunk driving, or corporate fraud. And that kind of stuff doesn't happen as often as a general car accident case. And so we don't see punitive damages as often as we do general compensatory damages in cases. So punitive damages are not awarded very often in Idaho because they're here just to punish someone that's done something really egregious, something really terrible, like a drunk driving accident. Generally, if you have a general, fender bender or a following too closely case where somebody was texting and driving or maybe talking to their kid in the back seat instead of paying attention to the road, that's not the type of behavior that the court's interested in really punishing beyond a simple speeding ticket or a following too closely ticket. It's when you start to get into areas of recklessness or doing something on purpose that the court starts to awarding punitive damages, because the purpose of these is to award money to the victim in a way to punish the defendant. So again, if somebody does a drunk driving act, if somebody gets drunk and drives their car and causes somebody else an injury, that's egregious conduct. That's way worse than just forgetting to use your blinker when you change lanes. And so in a situation like that, that's why we're not seeing punitive damages awarded as often in Idaho, because generally your car accident cases don't deal with really egregious conduct from the other side. Now, if the court does decide to award punitive damages, those damages are capped at a certain amount of money, and that's either $250,000 for the punishment amount of the award, or it could also be 3 times the compensatory damages. Again, that's the pain and suffering, the medical bills, and the lost wages all combined. So if you have a case where you have $100,000 in compensatory damages, the court could actually allow an award of up to $300,000 for punitive damages, because it's whichever's greater, either $250,000 or 3 times the compensatories. So if you have any questions for us on how we can help you in a punitive damages case in Idaho, check out our website at attorneysofidaho.com or give us a call at 208-314-8888. Again, thank you for listening.